Turn an empty laundry detergent bottle into a cute book holder with this simple DIY project. Start by removing the labels and clean it very well. Trace the outer shape on both sides of the bottle, as you see in the video. Then, use a blow dryer along the line to make it easier to cut. Use a sharp cutter to cut the bottle, using the line as a guideline. Don't worry if you don't cut it perfectly. I'll tell you how to cover it later on. Now wipe off the line you drew as a guideline. Then grab a glue gun and glue blue satin ribbon. You can use whatever is available at your home. Make sure to place the ribbon so it can cover both the outside and the inside of the bottle. As you see me doing, work slowly and carefully and cover the entire top edge of the bottle. As a final touch, I'm adding this crochet sash that goes well with the color of the ribbon. I glued it at the center, as you can see. You can choose to decorate with whatever you like and have available. I love bows, so I made this cute bow from the same satin ribbon and I glued it at the center. And there you have it, a practical and simple DIY project to transform an ordinary laundry detergent bottle into a cute book holder. Try it and let me know what you think.